We think about a customer experience as the sum total of interactions that customers have with your brand throughout their journey. So when we think about delivering better customer experience through AI, it's not assuming that AI will deliver an entire customer experience, but it's zeroing in on specific touch points where we think that AI or an emerging technology can deliver a more meaningful experience.
I see companies struggling because what they've done is decoupled design from the technology, that they work in these silos and there's a lot of handoffs in between. And so what happens is when you do that, you lose the empathy for that customer as you're bringing it to life.
Human-centered AI simply means that putting your users first instead of putting the machine accuracy first.
So people will lose trust in an algorithm very quickly if it does the wrong thing.
AI has no brain. AI is just what us humans teach AI on how to react to a bunch of inputs data and produce the output data. So AI itself, it doesn't have any intelligence.
And it's important to understand that the level of trust that users have in your product is entirely dependent on the trust they have in every single component.
We're blending data science throughout each process of the design. So starting from discovery all the way to test and learn. So we're constantly testing and learning to make sure, again, that our design is validated, that our design is quantified not only on 10 users, but on tens and thousands and hundreds of thousands of users, to make sure that we're not developing something just for a smaller audience, but we are designing something that are meaningful to a bigger group and make sure that there's no bias in our design itself.
You're making sure that the person who's sitting in the room designing the solution isn't writing a check that AI can't cash, but you're also making sure that data scientists aren't developing an AI that is irrelevant to the problem space.
You know, we saw this huge wave of people making the investment in AI, but they really forgot about the human context. They really forgot about the human side of it. And what we're seeing today is the ramifications of it, because people don't trust AI. What we want to bring back into the process is bringing back that trust, making sure that the AI that is enabling your experiences does not have bias, that it's not targeting one demographic. So I think today there's an opportunity to bring together that trust, that reliability, and the understanding that the security of the data, and making sure that we can address all those human needs and questions and bring it together with the technology in a way that can create differentiated experiences out there.